I think I just discovered my new favorite way to install crochet hair. hmm hmm I've been wanting to try something different with my hair lately, and somehow YWIGS read my mind because they sent me their human crochet hair. The initial plan was for me to do miracle knots, but my spidey senses just led me in another direction. But first, let's talk details. This is their 20-inch water deep wave in the color natural, and each bundle has about 50 strands. Before installing, I washed it first using a clarifying shampoo and then followed up with a moisturizing one. And once it dried, it was time to be installed. But instead of doing miracle knots, I fed the strands into my own individual braids. I started on clean, damp hair because, in my opinion and experience, styles like these just last longer when the hair hasn't been blown out. It's always better to pre section your hair to help you map out the parts in advance and to stay organized. I started in the back, and since my hair on the nape is finer, I just made the parts bigger so the braids wouldn't be too small. I wanted my hair to look and feel effortless and free, so I skipped the braid gel altogether and just made sure each section was fully moisturized. Starting at the top, I added one strand about 1 inch from the root, concealing the string completely, and then adding another strand midway down, and another one closer to the end. I didn't worry about adding hair to the ends of my hair because I knew that the crochet hair would hide them. This method takes a little longer, but it's worth it. It took me about 5 hours to complete, and so far, I've experienced little to no shedding, and the hair is still super soft and light. The best part though, it's reusable. Let me know what you think about the style, and let me know if you've ever tried crochet or miracle knots with human crochet hair.